This is my Carbide Scraper, and this is a tool with a blade tipped in carbide, a compound composed of carbon and metal. This makes the blade super hard and durable, so it's perfect for heavy-duty scraping tasks. So just a few things when I'm using this Carbide Scraper. For safety reasons, I find it important to have a stable work surface. Don't work on anything that is, wonky and gonna tip on you or whatever. And I make sure that the height is comfortable for me as well, because I'm using my arm's length and my body to actually pull this Carbide Scraper from one end of my furniture to the other. I start using it with a really light pressure. However, look at this tabletop. There was some sort of waxy, sort of thick finish on it. And the light pressure was doing basically nothing. I really had to apply some pressure to get through to this waxy finish onto the stained portion and actually remove it. Starting at, I'll say, the top of the tabletop, I run the Carbide Scraper all the way down the project in the direction of the grain at about a 45-degree angle relative to the wood surface that I'm working on. So this is what I do anyways, I try and keep it in one smooth stroke, just so I don't stop midway, change the pressure, and then I might gouge the tabletop. So keeping it in one smooth, continuous stroke is very helpful. And adjusting the pressure on maybe a part of it that is not scraping off easily is sometimes needed as well.